Because you had Big Boss in talks at the same time. दोनों चीजें साथ चली थी, then why you chose Rise and Fall?
मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी आई थॉट इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ फिट फॉर राइज एंड फॉल क्योंकि राइज एंड फॉल वाज अ गेम बेस्ड शो.
You're very strong with your sexuality, you know, when you talk about it. It is difficult to come on camera and talk about it in detail. And then you chose to be in a reality show at the same time. That comes with more responsibility because when people at home seeing you, you know, get some kind of inspiration that, okay, we have somebody to see and look after. So were you planning something like that, that I'll make sure that I establish something which is to talk about?
There wasn't any moment of establishment, but there was a sense of responsibility for
Yeah.
me because I'm aware कि like there are a lot of people from the community itself who look up to me, and मुझे बस एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल सेट करना था जहाँ पे आप रियल चेंज लाओ, नॉट जस्ट लाइक अगर आरुष के भी जो मोमेंट्स जहाँ पे मुझे हर्ट हुए, इफ यू टेक दैट अग्रेसिवली देन रियल चेंज डजंट हैपन देयर, दैट विल जस्ट इंस्टिगेट इट इवन मोर. As long as you listen to it patiently and understand their point of view as well and make them understand, which he did, उसके बाद पे जाके जो हमारी फ्रेंडशिप बनी and everything, it was really sweet and we plan to meet after the show as well.
Is there something cooking up? No.
We have a cricket match cooking up between me and Arush, so
Very boring things you're talking to me about.
yeah.
क्योंकि शो का फॉर्मेट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर शोज दैट वी हैव सीन रिसेंटली एंड इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम coming to India. So very spectacle also because you had Big Boss in talks at the same time. I know from the productions when I had a word. So दोनों चीजें साथ चली थी, then why you chose Rise and Fall?
Because again, मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी आई थॉट इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ फिट फॉर राइज एंड फॉल क्योंकि राइज एंड फॉल वाज अ गेम बेस्ड शो, एंड जो भी ड्रामा रहता है, जो भी अग्रेसिव नेचर रहता है आपका, वो बहुत सेकेंडरी रहता है. तो मेरे हाथ में जो भी था, जैसे टास्क रहे या तो अलायंसेस बनाने रहेंगे या तो लोगों को अप टू सम एक्सटेंट ट्रीट भी करना रहेगा, तो वो आई थिंक मैंने बहुत अच्छे से किया, अपना 100% ही दिया उसमें.
A lot of comments on your videos are majorly like that. She's gone to the show Rise and Fall and just talking about sexual life. ये है, वो है, ऐसा है, वैसा है, and you know, people say that she's made a mudda that this is my sex life, this is it. I've seen a lot of comments like, yaar, it's so bad that you call it a selling point to somebody. So what's your reply to all the trollers?
I don't think I've spoken about my sex life at some point.
In general, like people say, you know, that like Arush came in between and then he talked, and you would, of course, your point was to elaborate him that how it looks like, how things are actually.
So जो भी चीज़ें थी, आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव स्टार्टेड एनीथिंग. जो भी स्टार्ट हुआ था आरुष के साइड से हुआ था. मैं यहाँ पे खुद को ऐसे मुद्दा बनाने के लिए खड़ी नहीं हूँ. मैं तो बस वहाँ पे गेम ही खेले थे, वैसा मुद्दा निकल गया. तो जब मुद्दा दूसरी ओर से निकल रहा है तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं अच्छे से बात करूँ उसके बारे में, क्योंकि मैं कम्युनिटी को भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे.
You would have taken offense the way he started talking initially, but you were very you know, keen to listen it properly and then answer it in a way that the message goes clearly.
Definitely, because if this were outside the show, if some person were to come and talk to me like that, I would hammer him.